This baby's hot. She won't last long. She just came in today. Got the chrome wheels, the black exterior, the V8, automatic, tinted blacked out windows, charcoal gray interior, custom drop lights, flat screen, the nice automatic shifter. Come make us an offer. She can be yours today. Looks nice from the outside, but they torched it on the inside. No filming of personal paperwork. Clothes are okay. The airbag just fell out of the ceiling. This is what it looks like when you douse it in gasoline and set it on fire and have no clue how fire works. She's pretty. Was.